everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me, Crystal, and I am here today with a TrendMood unboxing video. Now originally I wanted to open the seal on this box with you guys and go through the contents of it with you. Me not knowing what's in it, me never seeing the products, but unfortunately I filmed this video before. Well, I thought I was filming this video before. I already opened the box because I thought I was filming the video previously, but my camera wasn't rolling, so I had to come back and do it all over again. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing what's inside this TrendMood box, keep watching. Alrighty, so a little bit about TrendMood before we get started. For those of you who do not know what TrendMood is, it's basically, they have an Instagram page. That's how I was introduced to them. They bring together the latest and hottest items in the beauty world, makeup and beauty world. And they let you know when they'll be coming out. They give you details about it. They show you swatches of the items, and they basically put you on to the new, hottest, latest, and greatest in the makeup world. They do different monthly boxes. I don't want to call them subscription boxes because they're different prices, and it's all based on the items and the contents inside of the boxes. This one here is the B.O.B box. This is the black-owned beauty box, and I was really excited to get this box. It's really kind of hard to get these. I don't want to say hard, but you have to be on top of it to get these boxes because they sell out within minutes. I had to literally sign up for email notifications to remind me when they're going to be uploading the boxes to their website. This one I just had to get, so I actually set an alarm so that it can remind me to get on that website 5 minutes prior to the release of the box, because I've tried getting boxes in the past and every time I went to the site they were sold out, and it would be like I check my email, 2 minutes later I go to the site and they're gone. So this one I set an alarm for so I can be like one first ready to go. And these boxes are also a good way to introduce yourself to new products and brands that you've never tried. All the products in this box are from brands that I've never even heard of before, except for one. So that was the thing that I was excited about. I wanted to try out something new. So yeah, let me shut up and let's get started on this box. I do wish that there was a little card in the box with a little information about each brand, so I can give some more information to you, but I'm pretty sure that you can go onto their Instagram or website and find out information about them. But let's get started. Alright, so the first item that I have out of this box is a eyeshadow palette. This is from the brand Colouredraine. This is their Smoke Show palette, and this is what it looks like. This palette has 5 matte shades and 1 shimmer shade. I want to go ahead and swatch some of these on my fingers so we can get a glimpse of the pigmentation. Oh, yeah. They're smooth and creamy as well. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Wait. That's pigmented. There's 6 different shades in here, and the shades are called Cloudy, Naked Eye, Smoke Screen, Torch, Flammable, and Showtime. I'm looking forward to using this because these are some really nice shades and they're highly pigmented for what I can tell. They seem like they will blend out really nicely. They were really creamy when I swatched them, so I can't wait to kind of play around with this a little bit more. Alright, so next we have this Metal and Liquid Glitter from OPVbeauty. I want to say that this is an eyeliner. This is in the shade Give Me Glow. I mean, this is what it looks like. This is really nice. This is really nice orange bronzy color. I believe there are more shades in this. There are different shades in this. You can go to their site to see what they are. And I feel like you can use this all over the lid or as a line. This is really nice too. And that's what that looks like. You can use this as a liner or all over the lid to add some pizzazz to your look. And then again, that was from OPVbeauty. Alrighty, this next item is also from OPVbeauty, and this is their Born to Shine blush palette. I used to not be a blush girl. Can you believe that? I used to be like, oh, blush? Oh, let me wear blush. Blush, it's not for me. But I have become obsessed with blush. I love it. Like, it just adds some color and depth to your face, and I tend to go overboard with blush. So Oh, I'm excited for this palette. This is what it looks like, guys. This is beautiful, and this is definitely black girl friendly. This has 6 big pans in this palette. One thing I am noticing and I'm loving about this palette are the names of the shades. You have Uplifting, Light, Smile, Unstoppable, Positive, and Keep Calm. Very positive names. These are really pretty. I feel like I'm going to use this a hell of a lot. We have 3 mattes and 3 shimmer blushes in this palette. I feel like I'm probably going to use every last one of these, and I cannot wait to do so. I really wish I didn't have like some price points and things like that on these items. I'm probably going to go to the websites, and I'll link that information down in the description box and links to these products, so in case you're interested, you can try them out yourselves. If you have tried them out, comment below and let me know what you thought of the products, or if the brands, if you've heard them before, how do you like them? Give me some feedback, because this OPV, I'm kind of really interested in it. With the shimmer stuff and the blush, that blush palette is everything. I'm hyped about that. But let's keep going, shall we? Alright, next up we have this. Oh, they're giving me a 10% off coupon. That's cool. This is from the brand Zodiac Cosmetics. I keep looking down. My viewfinder, I don't have a viewfinder on my camera. I'm using my computer, my laptop, as like my monitors to see myself. So that's why I keep looking down. I want to apologize for that. This is a loose highlighter. I like that it's sealed up like this, because I thought I was about to open up a bunch of mess and it was going to fall out everywhere. But this is like a bronzy, coppery shade. That's bronzy, coppery shade. And this is in the shade Zeus. Let's see. I'm going to actually take this seal off so I can kind of swatch it so we can actually see what it looks like. It's chunky. I hope it doesn't like come out like glitter. Oh no, it's not glitter. That's stuck on my hand. Please don't be able to make a mess. Okay. Ooh, I can tell you this, a little bit of this is going to go a long way. Can you see that? That there is the bronzer. Pretty, isn't that pretty? Again, that's definitely black girl friendly. I like the little shifter in here as well. And I like that this is a deep area, keeps the product contained. And when you open it, it's not going to go flying out everywhere, making a big mess, because I'm messy and clumsy. And I have this shit everywhere. So shout out to Zodiac for making this clumsy girl friendly. Moving right along. This is fun. This is fun. My neighbor's probably like, this girl's in here talking to herself. Mind your business. I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to y'all out there in YouTube world. Anywho. Alright, so there's 3 products left in the box, and all 3 of these are lipsticks. We're down to the last 3 items in the box, and they are all lipsticks. We have one from OPVbeauty. Hopefully I said that correctly. And this is in the shade Focused. It's a nice... I'm focused on opening this motherfucker. This is a luminous satin lipstick, and it is in the shade Focused. And this is some nice packaging. This is a plastic tube. It's in like an octagon shape, and it has their logo on top here. And then the shade color here. Oh, this is pretty. This is what it looks like. This is a nice fall color too. It's like a nice chocolatey brown. shade. And it is very luminous, very creamy, glides on really nice and smooth. I can see me using this a lot. Ooh. I'm not gonna mess up my lip gloss right now though. This next one is from Mented Cosmetics. Now I have heard of Mented Cosmetics before. I've never used their products, but I have heard of them. All the other brands in this box, I've never heard of them before. So this will be the first time I've used one of Mented's products. This is a matte lipstick. The packaging is giving me MAC vibes. You see that? This is in the shade Nude La La. This is another nice chocolatey brown shade. Let me find a swatch. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. I'm definitely going to be using this. Again, another great fall color. I like the texture of it too. It's not like it doesn't feel like a drying matte. It feels like one of those creamy matte lipsticks, which me lucky. And the last lipstick is from Colouredraine. Again, this is the same brand as the eyeshadow palette. Got 2 items from OPVbeauty and 2 items from Colouredraine. This is a satin lipstick and it's in the shade Whipped. And this looks like some luxurious packaging. This is what the packaging looks like. I don't know why I'm doing that. This packaging gives me high-end vibes. I don't know what to call this. Like a brick shade. Oh yeah, like a brick red. This is beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful. Another nice fall shade, and again, I do definitely think I can see myself using this a lot too. I like it. And that was the last item in the box. That's 7 products for $39. You can't beat that because I'm pretty sure like one of these products was probably like over 20 bucks itself. Another $20 for another 6 items. That was a good box, and I appreciate TrendMood's actually doing a black-owned beauty box. That was appreciated. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I hope you come on back and check me out for my next video. Click the bell so you know when I am uploading content, so you can join me. And also please subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Feel free to comment down below and let me know which one of these products was your favorite that you're interested in trying out, or if you have tried any of these products out before. Let me know if you've heard of these brands before, what your thoughts are on them, and I appreciate you guys watching this video. Until next time, bye.